I find myself behind the wheel of something, I don't know, not quite right in today's world. We're in the Eco Classics 911 electric conversion. The reason we're in it is because High Performance and Eco Classics have just signed an agreement, and we're now working together and developing the future of electric Porsche, but also working with them as the UK installers. And you'll see on our website very soon our conversion page to convert your G-Body 911 to an electric vehicle. Very clever conversion. One of the things the company's worked on is getting weight distribution the same as the original car. It is mimicking almost the same brake horse in 220 brake horse. And actually driving it today, the overall driving experience, other than the noise of course, actually the weight balance is, I've got to say, pretty much perfect to the original car. The turning's the same, the way the steering wheel weight feels is the same, the balance of the car is really, really good. One of the things I would say which is really clever with this conversion is 100% reversible. The kit picks up on all the mounting points of the original engine, original fuel tank. There's no drilling, etc. One of the things that really attracted us to work with Eco Classics. Very quick facts and figures. This particular car, roughly 160 mile range, charging 20 to 80% in around half an hour. Performance, about 220. In this sunny day in B roads in Suffolk, it's actually a real pleasure to drive. Won't lie, it takes a little bit of getting used to not having that engine note there and no clutch pedal. But it is very simple to drive. You could jump out of a 911 SE, jump in this, and I think you'd be quite surprised. If you want more information on the Eco Classic car and our partnership with Eco Classics, give us a call and check out the website.